Did you know that Christopher Columbus called papaya the fruit of the angels? And there's a reason why fitness experts are calling papaya juice the ultimate fat-melting drink. This tropical powerhouse contains a special enzyme called papain that literally helps break down proteins and burn belly fat. But here's the thing, most people are drinking papaya juice completely wrong, which is why they're not seeing the weight loss results they want. Today, I'm going to show you the exact right way to drink papaya juice for maximum fat burning, including the perfect timing, the right ingredients to add, and the crucial mistakes you need to avoid. Let's be honest, you've probably tried countless weight loss drinks, smoothies, and detox juices, only to feel disappointed when the scale doesn't budge. The problem isn't that these drinks don't work, it's that most people don't understand how to use them properly. When it comes to papaya juice specifically, there are 5 major mistakes that are sabotaging your weight loss efforts. Mistake number 1, adding sugar and high-calorie ingredients. The biggest mistake people make when preparing papaya juice is adding sugar, honey, or full-fat milk. Listen, I get it. You want your juice to taste amazing, but here's what happens when you add these ingredients. You're completely contradicting your weight loss efforts. A single tablespoon of honey adds about 64 calories, and when you add milk, you're turning your low-calorie fat-burning drink into a calorie-dense smoothie. Remember, papaya naturally contains only 43 calories per 100 grams, but when you start adding sweeteners, you can easily triple or quadruple that number. Mistake number 2, drinking it at the wrong time. Timing is everything when it comes to papaya juice for weight loss. Many people drink it randomly throughout the day, but this approach misses the window when your body can maximize its fat-burning potential. Your digestive system and metabolism work differently at various times of the day, and if you're not timing your papaya juice consumption correctly, you're leaving results on the table. Mistake number 3, not understanding the papain enzyme. Here's something most people don't know. Papaya contains a unique enzyme called papain that's absolutely crucial for weight loss. This enzyme helps break down proteins and improves your overall digestion. When your digestive efficiency improves, your body starts absorbing nutrients properly while reducing bloating, which is a common issue when trying to lose weight. But here's the catch. If you're not consuming papaya juice properly, you're not getting the full benefits of this powerful enzyme. Mistake number 4, ignoring the fiber content. Papaya is rich in fiber, which promotes the feeling of fullness and reduces the urge to overeat. Fiber-rich foods like papaya slow down the absorption of sugar, stabilize blood sugar levels, and help control cravings. But when you juice papaya incorrectly, you might be removing or reducing this crucial fiber content, which means you're missing out on one of its most important weight loss benefits. Mistake number 5, not considering the glycemic index. Papaya has a glycemic index of 60, which is considered low to medium. This means it won't cause rapid blood sugar spikes and crashes that can lead to cravings and unhealthy snacking. However, when you prepare papaya juice the wrong way, you can actually increase its glycemic impact, making it less effective for weight management. Now that we understand the problems, let me show you the right way to drink papaya juice for maximum weight loss results. I'm going to break this down into 3 key components: the perfect recipe, the optimal timing, and the additional strategies that will supercharge your results. The perfect fat-melting papaya juice recipe. Here's exactly how to make the most effective papaya juice for weight loss. First, you need to select the right papaya. Look for one that's turning yellow. This indicates it's in the ripe stage. When you press your thumb into it, it should feel soft and give slightly. This is crucial because only properly ripe papaya will give you the maximum enzyme activity. Cut your papaya down the middle, and you'll see beautiful orange flesh with black seeds. Now, here's something important. Those seeds are actually edible and have their own weight loss benefits. They're rich in fiber and help improve digestion, plus they have detoxification and anti-parasitic properties. However, they have a strong, bitter taste, so if you're just starting out, you might want to remove them. For the base of your juice, use 2 cups of coconut water instead of regular water or milk. Coconut water is naturally hydrating, low in calories, and contains electrolytes that support your metabolism. It also has a subtle sweetness that complements the papaya without adding processed sugars. Now, here's where we turn up the fat-burning power. Add 1 cup of mango and 1 inch of fresh ginger. The mango adds natural sweetness and additional fiber, while ginger is a thermogenic ingredient that literally helps your body burn more calories. Keep the skin on the ginger because many of the minerals are concentrated there. Blend everything together until smooth. Do not add any sugar, honey, or milk. The natural sweetness from the papaya and mango should be more than enough. Your fat-burning papaya juice is now ready, and it contains approximately 150 to 200 calories while providing powerful weight loss benefits. The optimal timing strategy. The timing of when you drink your papaya juice can make or break your weight loss results. Here are the 3 most effective times to consume it. First, morning on an empty stomach, most effective. Drinking papaya juice first thing in the morning on an empty stomach is highly beneficial and recommended. This timing helps cleanse your digestive tract and promotes healthy bowel regularity with its high fiber content. The papain enzyme works most effectively when your stomach is empty, allowing for maximum absorption and digestive benefits. This also kickstarts your metabolism and provides your body with essential nutrients and vitamins to fuel your day. Second, before meals, for appetite control. Having papaya juice 30 minutes before your main meals acts as a natural appetite suppressant. The fiber content helps you feel full, preventing overeating during your actual meal. The enzymes also prepare your digestive system to better process the food you're about to consume, leading to improved nutrient absorption and reduced bloating. Third, before bed, the fat burning while you sleep. This might surprise you, but drinking papaya juice at night can be very effective for weight loss. Papaya has natural laxative properties that help clear your colon in the morning and boost digestion. The papain enzyme continues working while you sleep, helping break down any remaining food in your system and preventing bloating. Plus, papaya can actually improve sleep quality, which aids in muscle recovery and weight loss. To maximize the weight loss benefits of your papaya juice, here are some additional strategies. First, hydration is key. Papaya is 88% water, making it a natural hydrator. Proper hydration is crucial for weight loss because it helps maintain energy levels, reduces false hunger signals caused by dehydration, and supports your body's natural detoxification processes. Make sure you're drinking plenty of water throughout the day in addition to your papaya juice. Second, combine with light exercise. The natural sugars in papaya provide clean energy that's perfect for light exercise. Try drinking your papaya juice 30 minutes before a morning walk or yoga session. The combination of natural energy from the fruit and physical activity will enhance fat burning. Third, don't rely on papaya juice alone. While papaya juice is incredibly beneficial for weight loss, it's not a magic solution. You need to combine it with a balanced diet and regular exercise for sustainable results. Think of papaya juice as a powerful tool in your weight loss toolkit, not the entire solution. Fourth, monitor your body's response. Pay attention to how your body responds to papaya juice. Some people may experience digestive changes initially as their system adjusts to the increased fiber and enzyme content. This is normal and usually subsides within a few days. Fifth, consistency is everything. The key to seeing results with papaya juice is consistency. Make it a part of your daily routine, preferably at the same time each day. Your body will adapt to this routine, and you'll start seeing improvements in digestion, energy levels, and weight loss within 2 to 3 weeks. Remember, papaya juice works by supporting your body's natural processes. It improves digestion, reduces inflammation, provides essential nutrients, and helps control appetite. When you drink it the right way, at the right time, with the right ingredients, you're giving your body everything it needs to burn fat efficiently and naturally. The bottom line is this: papaya juice can be an incredibly powerful tool for weight loss, but only if you use it correctly. Follow this guide, stay consistent, and combine it with a healthy lifestyle, and you'll be amazed at the results you can achieve. If you want more fat-burning smoothie recipes like this one, check out the Smoothie Diet Program. Link is in the description below. Remember, your journey to a healthier, leaner you starts with that first glass of properly prepared papaya juice. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. We upload a new video every Friday at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.